Alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft, and this is the PHP jobs interview questions and answer series. In this video, we will talk about the difference between echo and print in PHP. In PHP, echo and print both are PHP statements. Both are used to display the output in PHP. So first, we will talk about the echo. Echo can be used with or without parentheses. Echo can be used multiple parameters and it does not return any value, and echo is more faster than print. So let's see practically how echo works and how these 4 points works in echo. Okay, so I go to the code and this is my PHP file. Here first I declare a variable var, and inside this one this is some value, for example the value, and I echo this var variable. Okay, so first we can write echo with or without parentheses. If I echo this var, then it also work, and if in parentheses I write the variable, then it will works also. Okay, so we can write with or without parentheses with echo. Okay, save the file and I go to the browser and call that PHP file that is inside my localhost. Okay, and you will see that echo print the statement, the variable. Okay, and the variable value is the value. If there is a, we say that echo accept multiple parameters. Okay, so we can pass multiple parameters in echo. So for example, in this variable, the first the value, and after the value, for example there is a comma, and the second value. Okay, so let's see here. So for example, echo first the variable, and after the comma I echo again another value. The value, for example, is the first parameter is var and the second parameter is, and when we use the echo with parentheses, then sorry, when we pass the multiple variable parameters in echo, then remove the parentheses. Okay, and then pass the multiple parameters. For example, the first parameter is var, the second parameter is, and inside the third parameter there is another word, that is, this is Nasir soft. Okay, so now echo. So what will be the output inside the var? The value is Nasir soft. Let's see. When I go to the browser and refresh the link, then you will see that it print the first parameter, then the second parameter, and then the third parameter. So we can pass multiple parameters inside the echo with without parentheses. Okay, in the third point, the echo does not return any value. It means that echo doesn't return any value. For example, if I go to the code and here inside the if I write something with echo, okay, then it give me the error. Okay, for example, then I say that message ab flam flam. Okay, when I go to the browser and refresh the link, then you will see that it is passed error. It means that inside the echo doesn't return any value. Okay, so now we move toward the print. So the print is also used to display the output, and it also can be or without or with or without we can use it with parentheses. Print cannot use multiple parameters, and print always return one, and it is slower than the echo. Okay, echo is most faster than the print. Okay, for example, I go to the code and here remove all these lines, and the first var, inside the var the value is the value, and I print this var. Okay, so you will see that it display the variables. When I go to the browser and refresh the link, then the value of the variable is the value. Okay, and if I pass the more variable inside the print, then it show me the error. Okay, you will see either I remove the parenthesis, then I save the file and go to the browser and refresh the link, and you will see that it give me the parse error. It means that the print doesn't accept the parameters. Okay, and the third point, the print always return a value, and that is 1. For example, if I write the print inside the if, for example, inside this one I nasir soft, okay, then it doesn't give me an error. It means that the print return a value and the value is 1. Okay, so let's see what happened. And here, for example, inside the if I again print something without parentheses or with parentheses, you can choose your best. Okay, for example, this is NNN. Okay, I save the file and go to browser and refresh the link. Then you see that it execute the print inside the if and in the if condition. Okay, so it means that when it execute this one, so it return the one value and the value is successful and it goes inside the if statement. Okay, when we write echo in the place of print here inside the if, then it gives us the error. Basically, the echo doesn't return a value where the print return a value, and that is 1. So therefore in this scenario it goes inside the if. Okay, and print both of this. So guys, hope you will understand there are three main difference between the print and echo. The first is the echo doesn't return a value where the print return a value, and that value is 1. The second is the print does not accept any parameters where the echo accept the multiple parameters. And the third is, if you compare the both echo and print, echo is more faster than the print. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding to this video or this topic, please write in comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed.